Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your Campaign 4 2019 product picks and preview. And we'll start off with our big launch for the campaign, and it's all about being naked proof. So we have 3 great new body products for improving those areas that we, sometimes are a little less than happy with on our bodies. So first up, we have our Smooth Moves Anti-Cellulite Cooling Gel. And this will help you get smoother skin and improved texture in your cellulite prone areas. And 98% of the people that tried this in our advanced testing saw improvement in just 4 weeks of dramatically reducing the look of even the most persistent cellulite. So you can kind of see the before and after pictures there in the brochure. And next up, we have the Affirm Yourself firming cream, and so it's a firming body cream, and it's for firming and sculpting. It's formulated with caffeine to banish the crepey skin and gives you a more toned and defined look. And 96% showed improvement in firmness and tone of their abdomen and hip areas, and you can see kind of the before and after for the arm area on one of the participants there. Next up, and last but not least, we have our end of the line stretch mark minimizing lotion there. And it shows here it's got shea butter and pomegranate fruit extract as key ingredients. And this is a nourishing and light reflecting ingredients that immediately reduce the appearance of stretch marks, and over time, you visibly improves the skin's elasticity and suppleness. So it instantly, stretch marks are visibly diffused, and in 2 weeks, it dramatically reduces the appearance of stretch marks. So this one works even faster than the others, but I think most of us would agree even 2 weeks to 4 weeks is a pretty good turnaround time for seeing results there. So that's our new trio of items, so you can be naked proof there. I love the fun new colorful packaging in those. It's nice to have something bright and cheery on your vanity or in your medicine cabinet there. Next up, we have one of our wow deals, and it's our Far Away fragrance. And Far Away has top notes of peach and freesia. The mid notes that you start to notice a little while after you've applied it is jasmine, osmanthua, and orange flower. And then the base notes that kind of give it that long-lasting blend is vanilla musk, sandalwood, and amber. And the wow deal is you can get that for $9.99. It's regular $23, so that's less than half price. So that's a fantastic deal on the Far Away. So if you want to stock up on a favorite or try something new, personally, it's one of my favorites. I've been using it for almost the entire time. I think it's one of the first things that I bought as an Avon representative was the Far Away perfume. Our next wow deal is our Moisture Therapy bonus body lotions in the pump bottle. And those are, I always have to double check, 33.8 fluid ounces. So you get those for $9.99 each. That's a fantastic deal on those. And we have a couple of new clothing items. We have our new fashion collection, and it's Flirting with Spring is our new fashion collection. So there's kind of the overview of that. We have a couple of great new jackets in that, new cardigans, fun little smile shirt, because the world is always a little better with a smile. We have 3 choices for pants, for kind of a denim pant. We have the sort of like a cropped wide leg. You've got your straight leg and your skinny leg. All of those in kind of a denim. And the first one that I have to show is the Alexis top. And, okay, I thought I was holding it upside down. And this one is a Rayon spandex blend, and it's a pullover. So it's got a little bit of stretch to it, but it's got some flow to it. So it's like a nice flowy fabric, but it's not like a t-shirt material. And it's got this cute little detail at the elbows there. Got your cute little bow in the grommets there, so that kind of cinches that up for you, gives you that cute little detail. And I love the kind of, you've got your your orange, yellow, and green, but they're all in sort of a cooler shade of those colors. So it's good for even those of us that like to wear cooler colors. So there's that. That's the Alexis top. And then I think next up, let's see what else we have. We have a couple of great new dresses. I don't have this one to show, and it's hard to see in the picture in the brochure here, but this navy one kind of cinches up at the side there, so it gives you a nice silhouette. And I love the fun lemon print on there. And I like the bright yellows. I don't wear a lot of yellow myself, but I like the bright yellows for a springy. This is a super cute sweater, this striped sweater. And it's got a cute detail at the shoulders with the little X's there and the reverse stripe on the sleeves. And of course, you know, we're always going to have, in addition to having some new cardigans, we'll usually have some new tees. This time around, we have the Cynthia Tee. And this one is a little shorter than most of the other tees have been hitting in the mid to lower hip area. This one hits at the top of the hip. So a little bit shorter there. Has a very nice, it's a nice knit fabric like t-shirt. Super cute print. I got the floral print one, and I love the colors and the style of the print. There's a cute little detail at the shoulders. So here's the actual shoulder seam. So just a little bit down from the shoulder, so not sitting up on your shoulder. You've got this nice detail with the matching enameled buttons. And these ones even have the way the buttonholes are, where it's sewn on, makes it kind of look like the flowers in the top. And we have that in, this is the floral print, and kind of the peach shade, and then that's our geometric print for this this particular top. And it is a 3/4 length sleeve. So you can see the sleeve length there. It just came out of the wash, so I wasn't able to wear it today. But wanted to go ahead and get this done and get it out to you. Next up, we have some great new jewelry. I actually ended up picking pieces from the Ocean Air collection in the jewelry. And we have this great multi-layer multi-layer necklace with the matching kind of dangly dot earrings. The whole thing in there, so you can see. So it's a nice long necklace. Let's throw that on, let you see the length on it. Does have our usual 3-inch extender, so you can adjust the length to exactly where you want it to hang. And it's got all these great layers. This is I'll put it on the longest setting so you can see how long it will go. So you can have it nice and a nice long piece, and even then it's not super long, so it's a good length. And then I will pull that up a little bit so you can see the shorter length. You can also, pull it up, so if you're wearing something like the Cynthia top that has a higher neckline, you can put this on and have it set even higher up like that. So that's the multi-strand necklace in the necklace and earring set in the Ocean Air collection. You've got 5 strands there. Then you have the bracelet, because you're going to, of course, kind of keep up the multi-strand. Oops, show the right side of that there. So you've got 3 nice coordinated bracelets, 3 different styles, so you can mix and match those, wear them all or just a few. And then the link watch. Oops, I pulled it off the pillow. So there's the link watch. Has a nice, easy to read face with the silver Roman numerals on the blue background with the nice stones around the outside. And it's a nice metallic enameled band. And you have, on the back, you have 2 of these little sections. So you can take 2 sections out, basically 2 links out, and adjust the length of that. So let's see, it's 7.5 inches long, so that's probably with the extenders in it. So if you have a more petite wrist, you can take those out and shorten that up. So that's the link watch. And the bracelets do come also in an aqua or a peach color. So, The necklace and earring set, and then there's also a statement ring in this collection, are just in the blue, but the bracelets you can get in aqua and pink. So, let's see, what else do we have? Oh, one last wow deal, and this one is actually in the jewelry. And this was a great necklace that we had at the holidays. I showed it in, I think, our Campaign 26 video. We had this Believe necklace. I actually don't have it anymore because I sold it. But this is the Christine Spinning Sentiment necklace. And you have the gold one that has, it's a pave with a cross in it on one side and faith on the other. And then the other side is a pave with a star in it and Believe on the other side. And that center piece flips around so you can choose which side that you want to show. Let's see. Then we have, just wanted to kind of share, we have occasionally in the brochures these be a role model type things, and this is one of our representatives from Arizona, and she kind of just tells her story about how, you know, she's been a representative for about 9 years, and it was great for her when she was in college, but also when she moved to a new state and wanted to start her family. So I thought it was a great illustration of how being an Avon representative and being the Avon lady can kind of change with you and fit into your circumstances depending on what you've got going on in your life and the different stages of your life. So I thought that was a great story. And last but not least, you know, we always got to take a look at the A-Box. So we have the Weekend Ritual A-Box, and this one has our new, let's see, this is our daily scrub, facial scrub. We have and that's in a travel size. We have the travel size of the a new platinum day and night creams and a full size of our cuticle conditioner. So that's kind of your weekend ritual. You give your face a nice scrub, moisturize it well, and then treat your cuticles to a little treat there. So that's our A-Box, the weekend ritual. And you know, the A-Box is always $10 with any $40 purchase during that campaign. And of course, campaign 4 will be up on the online store, youravon.com/CArnold from January 22nd and up through February 4th of 2019. So that's all I have for you this campaign. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you again in a couple of weeks.